hypothesis test. Hello.
Yeah, please.
About the external factor, about quantitative factor, qualitative factor, about different factors that are affecting research also.
Okay.
Today we
So
start with research process.
I think now you all are aware that what is the research. Any issue?
No, sir.
No. All are well known about that. Why we are studying research?
Yeah.
What are the its importance?
Yes, sir.
It's have a significance or not?
It's
Definitely
have a
sick.
lot of significance.
Okay, it has a significance. So we have already discussed about the methodology. We have already given the significance. We have already declared roles, especially in a decision making, because role of research is depend on decision, which is also linked with the decision making. Okay, if we make decision effectively, then definitely we will get result effectively. So for that reason we have to understand the facts and figure in a scientific manner, especially about the research methodology. So we are starting from the concept about the research process. So in this phase you are able to see the diagrams or see the image. Anyone have a doubt about this image?
So these are the
Means
process that so these are the
diagrams.
process that we have to follow. Yes, sir. I have a
Yeah,
question. So these are the research process we have to follow one by one while making our research.
this is common for our entire problems.
Okay.
This is common framework. These are the common framework, whether we want to solve the psychology problem, whether we want to the personal problem, whether we want to solve the scientific problem, whether we want to solve the managerial problem. Okay, so the matter is that what is the problem? Okay, what is exactly problem? So when we define research problem, so for the definition of the research problem, we have to understand facts and figure about the available data. Otherwise you have to cook or prepare the data. So the mechanism to review and literature is based on a review concepts and theories, review previous research finding, whether it done by any researchers, any scientific members, or any experienced philosopher, or any research review literatures, research papers, white papers, discussion papers, algorithm, and whatever what else. Okay, based on that fact and figure, you may able to understand what is exactly problem. Okay, then we will create on hypothesis, based on that understanding. For example, we don't know how to make turbine. Okay, we don't know how to create any product. So what we will do that? For example, one thing is that you want to establish a own company, one joint venture. What you will do that?
Framework, we have to do in framework.
Now, for example, I'm going to say you are going to publish a book. You are going to publish a book. Means you are going to publish a book. How? What you will do that?
I have to create a manuscript first. Create
Manuscript.
data, then create.
But manuscript you will create. But what are the background? Means
Review the existing product or the in the market or existing book
I have to
with
choose
the relevant
genre.
topic.
I have to choose the
Means-
genre. In literature, I have
means
to choose the genre.
for example,
There is fiction and non-fiction.
for example,
Hmm.
Hossein, hello.
Yes, sir.
For example, you have decided that you are going to write a book to be millionaire in 21 days.
Okay.
So you are going to write a book on a be millionaire within 21 days. What you will do?
I will decide first the topic.
Topic means theme is that be millionaire in
How to be
21 days.
millionaire.
Sorry, sir.
Be millionaire in 21 days. This is a topic.
So
Okay.
he has to search the same topic in internet by different authors, how they have created the problem, and definitely after researching, he can come to a conclusion.
Means first
When I
phase,
write a topic, this,
as this research process diagram, this research process diagram defined research problem. Your problem is that you are going to write a book that be millionaire in 21 days. Okay, this is
Yes.
your problem.
yes,
Based on that problem, you are going to decide what is exactly how we are going to write and what we are going to write. So for that reason, you just review the concept and theories, review previous research finding, means previous available
if
document,
we discuss, we have to start.
and based on that concept, you are going to formulate your hypothesis. Okay, means that will
We have to
create the
create a
content.
design.
That will create the content, means table of contents. Okay, then you are going to design research including sample design and like that, means like the cover page, like the first page, second
Synopsis.
page, third page.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
then you will try to collect the data in the form of execution, then analyze and test the data if hypothesis if any. Then also you will think about that if this content is valid or not. If this content are not valid, then which way we have to write in another case. You will also discuss with your friends and the family member. We have written this is
So I
the
have to place also publication house also. I have to place different publication house whether they will find it right or not to provide my manuscript in a proper way to analyze.
that is another phase of that. We will discuss about this phase
Yes.
because publication is the totally different part. Okay.
Yes, yes,
Publication is the parts of commercialization of your concept and documents. Okay,
yes, sir.
means if you prepared your manuscript, your book or a content, after that, after the review of your concepts and books, then you will find out prospective publication house. Okay,
Yes.
then you will sign the MOU, then you will sign the draft,
Copyright
then we will
issue.
sign the agreement, and that you will do in this manner. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So concept is that this diagram is so here in the first step, define the research problems, review concept and theories, review previous research findings, then after formulate hypothesis, then after fourth phase, design research, including sample design, and feed forward also go to the analyze data, then go into the data collection till that and the complete data, then after the interpretation and reports. Okay. I'm going to share that for any thesis or dissertation, okay, for any thesis or dissertation, mainly 6 chapter is available, only 6 chapter. Okay. First is that introduction of the problem, means introduction part, introduction chapter. Second is background study. Second is the background study. It's include review of concept and theory and review previous research finding. It is also known as the review and literature. Okay. Third part is methodology to solve the problem. Okay, that is called the research methods. Means on which method you are going to solve your problem. That is also known as the formulate hypothesis. This is the third chapter. Fourth chapter is going to deal with the outcome of your research. Okay. Fifth chapter is going to analyze of your all outcome of research. Okay. That is called the discussion and analysis. And after that, within that, we will include that interpretation is also part of the discussion and analysis. Means first part is the introduction, second part is the background study, third part is the research methodology, fourth is the discussion outcome, and fifth is the discussion and analysis, and sixth is the conclusion and further work. Okay. Getting my point?
So may I raise a question?
Yeah, please.
I can. So the sixth point is analyzing data, test hypothesis, if any. I can understand the sixth part. I mean the sixth segment, which is analyzing data, test hypothesis.
Means
In
what
the
the
sixth
thing
part,
is,
what we have to do? Exactly.
this, what I have told you, you are going to write a thesis, okay, or dissertation. Okay. You are going to write thesis and dissertation. So in the first phase, you have to identify the problem. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That is also introduction of your research. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Second is background
Review.
study. It is also known as the literature review. Third is the method to solve your problem. Methods. Which method you are going to solve your problems. Okay. Means if we are going there, Hossein have a problem that he want to be a prime minister of Bangladesh. This is the problem. Okay, this is the problem. He want to be as the prime minister of Bangladesh. Okay. So first they have defined the problem and they have discussed what the behavior we have to adopt to be the prime minister of that country. So they will study about their environment, their concept, their legal aspect, their constitution, their environment, their culture. They will understand people behavior. They will learn a lot. Okay. Then they will define the third step is the methods. Okay. That is called the research methodology, where they will fix the hypothesis, formulate hypothesis. Okay. And then after they will proceed for the fourth chapter is the outcome. Fifth is the discussion analysis, and sixth is the conclusion and further work.
Yes,
Okay. So in this case, we are going to say, so research problem deals with the question or issue to be examined. Okay. So what is a research problem? The term problem means a question or issue to be examined. Research problem refer to some difficulty, need, which a researcher experience in the context of either theoretical or practical situation and want to obtain a solution for the same. Okay?
yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No.
No. How do we know we have a research problem? How do we know? To problem, we will know it may be the customer complaint, conversation with the company employee, observation of inappropriate behavior or condition in the firms or companies, deviation from the business plan, success of the firm's competitors, relevant reading of the published materials, trends and regulation, company records and reports. Okay. Means problem will arise when you will take some issue by the customer complaint. In a company, if you have design or develop any product and customer complaining that this is not a good, so this is the problem. Okay, this is the problem. Same is the conversation with the company employee. Company employee are going to say your mobile phone is not working properly, your communication system is not working properly, we are not able to hear sound properly. Okay, so these are the problems. Observation of inappropriate behavior or condition in the firms, deviation from the business plan means what you decided, means regarding you decided that we will create a blue ocean, but we are unable to create the blue ocean. Okay, so this is the problem, means what you decided, if we have not going to achieve, it means something is different. Okay, why we are not going to achieve it, this is the problem. Okay,
Sir, I have a
success,
question.
yeah, success of the firm's competitors, relevant reading of the published materials, it may be the trend or regulation, company record and reports. Okay, like that. So in this case, the first step in the research process is the definition of problems. Involve two activities. First is the identification or selection of the problem, and second is the formulation of the problems. Okay, means we have two forms. In this case, selection of the research problem. These steps, identification involve of a few problems and selection of the one of them after the evaluating the alternative against certain selection criteria.
Sir, in previous slide, I have a question.
This,
No, in previous slide. इसके पहले. I have the question. This is strictly limited to a company and corporate sector. But if I raise a question about the society, about the psychology, for example, I am making a some research paper on absurd behavior or the absurdity in Waiting for Godot, a novel by William Beckett. That's why these things are only restricted to corporate sectors, and how my problem will be related to these things.
what do you think about the corporate and organization? What do you think?
They are basically the sectors which are completely different from our
Those
literature backgrounds.
those are groups, individual or group is organized. Okay,
Yes.
individual or group is organized, that is known as company,
Yes, sir.
society. Okay, means if you are organized anywhere, okay, if individual are organized, okay, if group are organized, if individual are organized or group are organized, means I am going to share something. In the company or corporate, three types of company are there. One, the individual company, that is called the proprietorship. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so individual is also company and corporate. Getting my point?
Okay.
Second is the group of peoples, that is known as the organization. Group of people is known as the organization. Okay, it may be more than two, is known as the organization. Okay, for the formation of company across the world required one or two peoples, or more, nearby three peoples at least, three members at least. Okay, so I am going to clarify that the research problems is not only for the company, because we all are the company. Okay, because you know our brain is organized, that's why we are behaving accurately, talking accurately. Okay,
In a
so
logical way.
question is that company here, the means of the company here, any person who is organized, any person or individual is organized. Okay, and if they are complaining, for example, if any individuals, means your friend, are complaining that your dress is not good. Okay, so here your friend is just like acting as a customer, because they act and they behave and they observe your all behaviors. Okay, or they are not feeling
Now I
that,
understand.
they are not feeling this is appropriate dress for you. Okay, okay,
Yes, sir. I understand.
so the thing is that you should not worry about the company. Means company means any
Yes,
individuals
sir.
or group of peoples or group of individuals. Okay,
It can be an individual also.
or
Now I
any
understand.
individual. Okay,
Yes.
so identification of the problems, definition of the problems involve identification or selection of the problem and formulation of the problems. So this step involve identification of few problems and selection of one out of them after evaluating the alternative against certain selection criteria. And then after source of problem arise, it may be through the reading, it may be through the academic experience, maybe through the daily experience, maybe exposure to field situation, maybe consultation with the friends and families and your customers, brainstorming, research, or intuition. Means like the sixth sense and third sense is saying something different. Okay, so this is the source of problem. Someone just sleep and they thought I just dreamed that I'm going to billionaire within 5 months. Okay, means some people just awake from the sleeping mode. Okay, and going to told you and going to discuss with you that I taken a dream. I have a dream.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
and within 1 month, within 6 months, I'm going to be millionaire. Okay, so that is the intuition. I mean, their intuition is saying something. Okay, so source of problem may be any way from the, it may be the reading you have read someday, you studied newspaper that okay, this is the problem, okay, we have to solve this
Yes.
problem. Another bad academic experience, okay, this is a problem, this way this teaching methodology is not a good, We have to solve this problem in a different manner. Okay. Third is the daily experience. We are facing that daily problems are there. Okay. Exposure to field of situation, consultation with that, brainstorming, research. And sometimes if you are saying that you are running a business and your business is not giving good profits, this is also problem. Okay. You have to think about that, which way we have to take the profit effectively and efficiently. So in this criteria of the selection concern, the selection of one appropriate researchable problem out of the identified problem require evaluation of those alternative against certain criteria. They are internal or personal criteria. It may be the researcher interest, researcher computations, researcher own resource, it may be the finance or time. Okay. Second is external criteria or factors, researchability of the problems, importance and urgency, novelty of the problem, feasibility, facilities, usefulness, social relevance, and research personal. So these two criteria are there, internal or personal criteria are there, why you are going to do research. Okay. And second is that what are the importance of doing research. Okay. In the case of, in the first session, I have discussed with you this what are the objective, why you are going to do the research. Okay.
Yes.
So the problems I want to just inquire about that. What are the reason behind that you are doing a research? Okay. So as per the problem concerned, Hossein told us that we are going to create a business in the form of blue ocean. Okay. Business strategy. We want to improve the mechanism of the business strategy. You also told me that we are going to study the observable behaviors and why you have to frame it. Okay. Some internal criteria are there, some external criteria are there. And the formulation is the process of refining the research idea into research question and objectives. Okay. When you decided that you identify, okay, this is the problem, then we are going to formulate the process, formulation of the problems. Formulation means translating and transforming the selected research problems, topics, idea into scientifically researchable question. It is concerned with specifying exactly what the research problems is. Okay. So problem definition or problem statement is a very clear, precise, succinct statement of the question or issue that is investigated with the goals of finding an answer or solution. There are two ways of starting a problem. One is the posting questions or making declarative statements in this area. So process involved in the defining the problem is in a general way, understand the nature of the problem and surveying the available literature. Next is the developing idea through the discussion, rephrasing the research problems. And the criteria of good research problem is that it must be clear and unambiguous, empirical, verifiable, interesting, novel, original, availability of the guidance. So in the cases of defined problem, result in clear-cut research objective concern, symptom detections, analysis of the situation, and statement of research objectives. This is the problem definitions. Means defined problems result in clear-cut research objectives. We have just defined the symptoms, analyze the situation, statement of research objective, and problem definition. So establishment of the research objective concerned, as per the Churchill statement, research objective are the specific component of the research problems that you will be working to answer or compete in order to answer the overall research problems. Problem must be very, very unique and within one sentence. Okay. The objective refer to the question to be answered through the study. They indicate what we are trying to get from the study or expected result outcome of the study. For example, I'm going to say that we have to conduct a literature festival. Okay, we have to conduct a research literature festivals. So why we are going to create the literature festivals? What are the reason? What are the purpose? Who will be the audience? How you are going to invite the audience? If audience will arrive, how you will manage? Where he or she will accommodate? Okay, what are the arrangement for this event? What are the security issue of that statement, that event? What are the financial supports and who are going to support in the finance? Okay, so we have to understand this fact. So the objective refers to the question to the answer to the study. They indicate what we are trying to solve the previous problem. Research objectives should be clear and achievable, and they are directly assistant. Means, for example, we are not going to say that within 1 month we are going to create a bullet train. Not like that. Okay, that is complete hypotheticals. Okay, this is achievable, but not within time frame. Okay. So research objectives should be clear and achievable, and they are directly assist answering the research problem. The research objectives may be expressed in the form of either statement or questions. Generally, they are written as a statement using the word to, like that. What is it to? For example, in the case of blue ocean concern, means we are going to talk about that. We are going to create a new business framework. Okay, we are new business framework, yeah, new accounting standard. Okay, we are going to create a new accounting standard. Accounting standard, okay, understandable?
Yes, sir.
Accounting standard is understandable in common word. Otherwise, I'm
Yes,
going to
sir.
another thing. I'm going to ask about that. We are going to create a new cost sheet. Okay, cost sheet. Okay, understandable or no? We are going to create a new profit and loss statement. Okay,
Yes, sir. Understandable, sir.
understandable. So when you are going to create a profit and loss statement, you have to understand the what are the fact and figure at existing profit and loss statements. Okay,
Yes, sir.
means what are the method. So for example, we are going to create a new accounting standards. It means our first question is that to discover what are the available accounting standard in this world. Okay, okay. Second, to determine which is the most suitable accounting standard in the world. This is the second question. Okay. Third is going to ask yourself we are going to do research to establish new accounting standard. Okay. Getting my point?
Yeah.
So in this, generally they are written in a statement using the word to discover or to determine, to establish, to create, to design, to development, to implement, like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So in this case, after that, we will define this statement effectively. Okay. Then we will do the literature or review of the literatures. Okay. So why we are and which way we are going to do the literature review. So in these cases, so you have already understand what is. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, You have already understand review of literatures, but still I'm going to discuss this quiz because any doubt are there, then you can clarify here also. Literature review is the documentation of the comprehensive review of the published or unpublished work from the secondary source of data in the area of a specific interest of the researcher. Okay, means any
Yes,
published
sir.
data or published work or unpublished work. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Here I've mentioned that published work means available data, unpublished work means that is in on your table, but you don't like to disclose or disclose to anyone. Okay.
But sir, sometimes the research paper is not available
Yeah.
freely in the web. That need to be pay,
Okay.
or somehow the need to be a member of that particular site.
Yes,
So
yes, I have faced some these problems many times.
in that case, the review of all research paper of the particular subject is become sometimes not possible. So what is the alternative then?
I'm going to share something. Today you are in the era of the information and technology age. Okay.
Yeah.
You have the websites. You know, before 1990, people do research and they sit in a
Working library.
library in the long hours. Okay.
Exactly.
And if you are the member of that library, then you are able to
Then
read
then
or
only.
access the document. Otherwise you are not able to understand and not able to read and understand the fact and figure of that library available books. Okay. Same case here in after the 1994, 95, 96,
Mhm.
97, when internet boomed, all the libraries become the digital libraries. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
some important libraries in the like the Springer, like the IEEE, like the Elsewhere, like the SCI index, like the
Yes,
Scopus. Okay. And lots of international journal is available on the website. There's a freely open access journal are also there.
sir,
Okay.
I always use Wikipedia.
Yeah, Wikipedia, but the Wikipedia document is not authentic.
Okay.
Why I'm going to that? Why I'm going to discuss with that? Because Wikipedia is the only your own observation you have just shared with you. That is not valid.
Okay.
Okay, that is not. I'm not going to share that because that is not authentic. If any authentic base are okay, because
Okay,
Wikipedia we
Spark
can't.
Notes. Spark Notes.
Yeah.
There is also Spark Notes. I think Spark Notes. Yes, I think I always search different information from that.
No, actually, lots of international journal are available on the websites. Okay, international journal for the computer science, international journal for the management science, international journal of the literature, international journal of the review history and like that, social science, applied science. Lots of journal are there. Okay, or that is open access. Okay,
Yes, sir.
open access means some was the closed access are there, but some one also open access general are also there. Okay, that is freely available. Okay.
Some are closed, they will not allow you even if you
Otherwise
purchase, then they will allow it.
otherwise what you do, just make a profile on the research gate. Just make a profile on a research gate. Okay. And follow the
Sodh Ganga.
people.
Sir, there is a Sodh Ganga research also. Sodh
Sodh
Ganga, I
Ganga is
think.
also there here in India. Sodh Ganga are there,
Yes.
and
Yes, sir.
Sodh
He's from
Ganga is
Bangladesh.
managed by the University Grant Commission. Okay,
Yes, sir.
but here in the Sodh Ganga, you will see the all the thesis dissertation which is already available
Yes, sir.
and submitted by the researcher across the India.
Yes, sir.
Okay, for the Indian universities. Okay,
Yes, sir.
not outside the university.
Okay, sir, I have forgotten. I have forgotten.
Okay, means if you want to collect your the broad knowledge, you should not restricted yourself within the boundary of the India.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Then how will
means
you research?
you have to just make the profile and your account in the researchgate, that is freely available.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
or academia is also one of the
Yes, sir.
literatures and one of the things
I
where
often
you,
trace in academia. Right.
yeah, you will meet with the various academicians and like that, and you will also follow the research problems and from the white papers on the particular company. Okay, white papers. Okay,
Right.
white paper means not that a color in white. You should not
No,
think
no,
about
no,
that color in white. Okay,
no, no, no.
white
It is
paper
fair,
is,
I think.
yeah,
Fair, I
white
think.
white
It is
paper
not
is,
black.
white
Metaphorically
paper
speaking.
white paper is generally company released by the company for the purpose of showing their products and accurate research and then mechanism to design or development their product. Okay, so you may also find us the main that way the main aim is to find out a problem that are already investigated and those that need further investigations. The basic aim of the literature review is that to find out problem that are already investigated. Means if you are going to say that this is the problem, okay, no problem, I'm going to solve this problem, but question is this problem is already solved by someone, then
Yes, sir.
what's the use of your research?
Sorry, sir, I didn't get your point. Can
Point
you
is
please?
that you decided this is our problem. Okay, you decided any
Yes, sir.
problem. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and you try to solve this problem, but you have
Yes,
not
sir.
did any literature review. After some time you are going to understand that this problem is already solved by some researcher.
So yes, my problem is also solved by so many researchers. What will I
Then
do?
so
Then
in this
there
case,
is no value of
I
my
have
work,
seen it. I have seen it.
just waste of
Yes, sir. I
time.
have seen it.
yeah, so you
Yes,
should
sir.
not waste your time. You just think that at least 1 to 2% add-on must be there in your research. Okay,
Yes.
at least 1% add-on. I'm not going to create saying that you are going to create the entire world. Your 1% value addition, that is sufficient to do the research and sufficient to get the success. Okay,
So particular to my problem, I have seen so many people have chosen the absurd behavior. They have already created their thesis.
so they have given any conclusion, they have given any solution or not?
They have just compared with two authors. They have made some solutions also. I have seen. I
So
have already made
you
10 to
have
12
to
thesis.
you have to observe this solution also. Okay, based on that solution you are going to you have to prepare your hypothesis. Okay,
Okay.
based on their solution you have to prepare your hypothesis. Otherwise research will complete, but the outcome of research I don't know what will going to that. Okay, completion of research is not a problem is that outcome of research is also matter. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
so in this case it is the extensive survey of the all available past studies relevant to the field of investigations. It gives the knowledge about what others have found out in the related field or study, how they have done so. And the purpose of review is that to gain a background knowledge of the research topic, to identify the concept relating to potential relationship between them and formulate researchable hypothesis, to identify appropriate methodology, research design, methods, measuring concept, techniques of the analysis, to identify data source used by other researcher, and to learn how other structure their reports. Okay.
Yeah.
So how to conduct the literature survey? So identify the relevant sources, exact and records, relevant information, write up the literature review. Why I am going to write up that? Just make a table. Okay. Serial number 1, serial number. Second is the name of the research papers. Third point, first is the serial number. Just make a table. First is the serial number. Second is the name of the research papers. Third point is that where it is published. Okay. Fourth is that what author want to convey. Okay. And fifth point is that what was the conclusion of that research papers. Okay. Then you have to make your hypothesis.
So that table will create, that table will be for getting the gist from after reviewing a particular research paper.
Yeah.
And which will be, or which maybe I use or I can refer in my paper after in the appendix, and also in the introduction or other part, and refer the particular research that in base of what paper I am putting the specific part that I have already talking about.
Actually, this research review is a part of second chapter of your research thesis.
Yes,
Okay.
that is background in the
background.
Yeah.
Okay. So here right now,
Even in the first part, so the table which you will create, serial number, name, and where it is published, and what the author wants to convey, and the conclusion. It will
Yeah.
remain at the first part or the second part, the background.
This is not a first part and second part. Background study in a thesis, that is the second part of the thesis. But here, during this coursework, I have already told you, you have to just study 5 research papers, 50 research papers relevant to
50.
your
Yes, yes.
area. Okay.
Yes.
Relevant to your area.
Area.
And then you have to make a table. Okay.
Yes, sir. Got it.
And based on that table, you have to make a presentation. Based on that table, you have to make a presentation. Okay. You have to make a presentation and you have to show me, I have studied this. Okay. And this point is there, this point is there, this author is saying this author is saying this author is saying this, their conclusion is this. And based on that, I have made hypothesis. Okay. And then we are going to the research in this topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So in these cases, source of literature may be books.
So before moving the methodology part third, we have to do it.
Yes. Otherwise, we can't move.
Yeah.
Because if you don't study anything, or you are going to execute the project, what will happen? You know that. Your project may be fail. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So I have already told you, no one want to be fail. Everyone want to be a success. So you have to, at least you have to involve your time in a research. Okay. So source of literature may be books and journals, maybe electronic database, bibliographic database, abstract database, full text database, government and industry reports, internet, research dissertation and thesis. That's Sudipsar told us
And
that
what will be the
Sodh Ganga and like that. So research, dissertation and thesis is available on the website of the Sodh Ganga. That is the Indian repository. We can't say that a foreign repository. Okay. This is only Indian repository.
For our country.
Okay. So these are the sources of literature. And recording the literature is that the most suitable method of recording note is the card system, which I am going to share with you. That you have to make a tables. Okay. Recording system involved two sets of card, source card or note card. What I am going to say?
So here what we understand, I can understand is recording the literature. Literally, we have to record the literature.
Yes, recording the literature. Recording means on paper,
Okay.
not like the camera and like that. Okay. Means recording the literature, that is a two types of card system. Most suitable method of recording note is the card system. That is international mechanism. That is international mechanism to record the notes and prepare your tables. Okay. So recording system involve use of two sets of card. One is the source card, used for noting bibliographic information, who written and when written, and note card used for actual note taking. Okay. For example, you just download a research paper, and in front the research paper just put a A4 size paper on that. Okay. Then put your notes. Okay. And after that you prepare the tables. So source card
So-
may be the three.
So for every research paper, like download and then print out and then make the card, source card or note card. Is it something like that?
It depends you. If you want to study on the internet directly on the system, no problem. You should not take the printout. Okay. Because if you will take the printout, then your brain will work. Okay. And if you will not take a printout, your system will work.
No, sir. I am actually talking about the source card and note card. When
Yeah.
when we will do the when we will apply this source card or note card for a research?
On your research paper, literature review, during the researcher review, you download a research paper.
Okay.
And then put
Okay.
put the two card on each research papers. Each papers.
Two additional page.
Yeah, two additional page.
One for source and one for note.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So use for
we
the
have to
actual.
write down. In 1/4 size paper, we have to write down.
So write down. No, definitely you have to write on papers.
Okay.
Then how you will create the tables? Then how you are going to create the tables? And how you are going to show that I did a study? How you will say that how you are going to claim that I studied? If I am going to ask you that you study the research paper, okay, how many research paper you study? 50. Okay, what are the papers? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19, 50 papers are there. What's the number one author is saying? What was their conclusion? Okay. Then what you will going to respond?
Then we have to make 50 respective notes.
Definitely. Definitely you have to make 15 respective notes, and after that you have to combine the reports. Okay. And that report shall be presented here.
So 1 minute. The source card is for noting bibliographic information.
Yeah.
Note card is, and note card is for use for actual note taking.
Yeah.
Please explain the difference between source code and note cards.
Source code and note code
Typing.
concern means who written these papers. Okay. Where means who is the author of this paper. Getting my point? For example, one paper you are downloaded. Just say, okay, this is the papers, this is the research papers. Okay. You just download the papers. The name of the research paper is that comparative study of, write down comparative study of Hyperloop network. Hyperloop network. This is the paper written
Hyperloop
by
network.
Hyperloop network. This paper is written by Miss Surya Sampada. Okay. And it is published on 11th March 2020 at International Journal of Transportation System, volume 4, issue 6, page number 29 to 26, 29 to 35. Okay. This is the statement. So this is called the source code. Okay.
Now I understand.
Okay. After that you have to study what you have to return that. Okay. So in these cases, source card are served with two purpose: provide documentary information for the footnote. Getting my point?
Yes,
It
sir.
provides documentary information for the footnote. It is used for the compiling biography to be given to the end of the report. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And another point, source card can be coded by the simple system in order to relate them to corresponding note card, making a combination of letter and number on the right hand top corner begin with the C. For the example, C1, C2, C1, or making the letter B or Z or row R for report, B for books, J for general. Okay. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
On the left hand top corner, after that source card means the recording of the bibliographic information should be made in proper bibliographic format. Format of citing a book is author name, year of publish, title of books, place of publication, publisher name. Because when you will compile your thesis, okay, you have to give this report at the last chapter as the bibliography notes, references. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Otherwise no one are going to believe on your research. Okay.
Sir, we have to literally do it on pen and paper, na?
Yes.
Okay.
So recording of application information should be made in proper bibliographic format. The format for citing a book, author name, year of title of the book, place of publication, and publisher name. For example, Kunur Hora 1980, Management, New Delhi, McHord International. Format citing a general article, author name, title of article, author name, general name, volume number or pages. For example, Sith GN 1973, a model book, name of the article, a model of international buying behavior and general of marketing, volume 37, issue 4, page number 52, 56. Okay.
Okay.
This is the source card and that is the note card. So detailed information extracted from the printed source is recorded on the note card. It is desirable to note a single fact or idea on the each card on one side only. Okay. So in this
So the
case,
length and breadth of the source and note card will be different.
yeah.
The length and breadth of source card and note card will be different, na?
Source code and name and
I am asking the breadth and length, the size.
yeah, that is a
Postcard and note card.
yeah. So another note card is concerned, and then after how to write the review, there are several ways of presenting the idea of the author within the body of the papers, because you are doing the research. For example, if you are referring the major influential factor in the Seth model of industrial buying behavior, it can be written right. Okay. How we can write? If you are referring the major influence factor in the Seth model of the industrial buying behavior, it can be written as Seth 1973, page 56, 50, has suggested that there are number of influence factors. Okay. According to the Seth model of the industrial buying behavior, there are a number of influencing factors. Means this is the example. When you study, means some author is going that they suggested, you have to prepare. Okay. And then
So
after
only on
the
one side, and the only on the one side of the paper. Another side will be blank.
for example, you are going to write on papers report on the Word, MS Word on the computer. How you learned in second part? A4 size papers on the one side. Okay. That is more readable. Okay. There are several ways of presenting the idea of other within the bodies in the these spaces, and then after in some model of industrial buying behavior there are a number of influencing factors. In some model of industry buying behavior there are a number of influencing factors like that. So point to be kept in mind reviewing literature. Number one, read relevant lecture. Okay, means I have already told you knowledge pollution is also a very big problem. Okay. So that's why you have to download your papers on the significant literature in international journals or significant books or renowned authored or researchers. So that's why I have just suggested you have to make your account in the literature research gate. Okay.
Date.
And follow
Different date.
follow researcher as per your specialized area. Okay, then they will give the very relevant document to you. Okay, relevant literature, refer original works, read with the comprehension and read in time and index the literature. So in the next part we will discuss on formulation of a hypothesis in the next class. So I think today everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
Huh? Any
Yes,
question?
sir.
Any question about the research process? Any question about the problems? Any question about the research problems? Any question about the research problems related to literature review? Any problem about identification, selection of the research problems? Any of the source of the problems? Criteria? And other point is that, so I think this is the point we have discussed today, and that the literature review we have discussed today, and then after we have discussed about the source card, note card, and writer, how to write the reviews, and then after the formulation of hypothesis we will discuss. Okay, this is also very important topic. Okay, this is a very important topic. Means we are going to design the hypothesis, and it is going to be like statistical analysis like that, variables, attributes, types, hypotheses. We will discuss in this next class. Okay. Any doubt?
Okay, sir. Sir, can
Yeah.
you please send the slide?
No, no, I
Okay.
know that.
Okay. Till date, what we have discussed, I will send a slide today. Okay.
Please, sir, because we the class are going on and we are just not reviewing that class to capture what you have already covered in the classes. So that also
That's why I'm
essential.
taking the screenshots. So that's
Okay.
why I'm taking the
Otherwise,
screenshots.
otherwise we will be out of track.
I'll be mad. So many steps. That's why I'm taking the screenshots.
Actually, research needs patience. Okay.
Very
Yes, sir.
basic.
And
This
today, here in our country, heavy shower rainfall. So sometime my internet was unstable. I did not catch all of your
Oh,
lecture. So that's why I'm asking for the slides so that if I have any question that I can ask you in the next class.
okay, okay, no problem, no problem. I will share this. Okay, don't worry. Okay.
Yeah.
so I have
Thank
also
you.
taken the screenshots. If you have.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Anyone?
Thank you, sir.
So I will say share this slide to you. Okay. By
Okay.
today itself. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir.
It will be
Thank you,
very
sir.
helpful.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, sir. Take care. Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye.